What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. This might be one of the weirdest videos I've ever made because I never thought I'd be talking about how to collapse your drying rack. And that's right, that's what we have right here. But what I've learned is that a lot of people struggle with this. And quite frankly, if you didn't put one of yours together, it could be a little challenging. I don't know the brand of this silver drying rack, but we're going to show you how to collapse it. If you're unfamiliar with your drying rack and you try to do this by yourself, it can be a little challenging just because you don't want to break it, right? I'm really pulling on the top of this drying rack to unhook this metal bar from this rod right here, and it is really sturdy, and I guess that's what you want from your drying rack. There's no special switch or anything like that on this rack to start the collapse of it. Now, on each side, you'll see there's a little indentation right here, a little hook, I guess is probably a better way to say it, where this rod slides in to this bracket right here, and we have the same situation on the other side right here. Here's our little spot. So again, there's no switch or no button that you have to push to start to collapse this. You just have to hold on to this rod and hit each side of the rack relatively hard. That pops off right there. On the other side. And then your drying rack simply collapses. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.